You see guys, sometimes you plan something perfectly and nothing works out.
Our trip to London had one main reason, my favorite movie. In case you have been following us for a while now, you know which one it is. In the parking lot, I saw several people wearing their Harry Potter uniform. Potterheads, like me. Potterheads, unite! Potterheads everywhere. Slytherin represent! So when we bought our flight tickets to London, we only had one goal.
To visit the Harry Potter studio tour. Until the day of the flight, our excitement was unbridled. But suddenly, small things started to go wrong. It began at the airport in Munich. Guess what happened? Our flight is delayed. At the moment for 30 minutes.
Not all.
The 30 minutes delay is not the end of the world. But like I said, that was just the beginning.
In London, we had to pick up our suitcase from the baggage claim. But when we got it, we noticed it was broken.
With the broken suitcase and a now 1 hour delay, we took the train to the apartment in London and slept. The next day I was super excited to see squirrels in Hyde Park. But it was so windy that we couldn't walk and we didn't see any squirrel. It's super windy and man, it's just crazy. All the leaves are flying around and we didn't even see squirrels, so what was the point of coming here? I don't even know.
And now let's talk about the tickets for the Harry Potter studios. When I wanted to buy them, I realized that they were sold out for the entire year. I just wanted to cry, but I was still hoping for a miracle. And out of nowhere, 2 tickets were available for the next day. Next day, there you go. Select.
Go down, go down. Here's a tip. In case you want to go to the Harry Potter studios and there are no tickets, just keep refreshing the page over and over again and maybe you're gonna have luck.
But luck was not on our side this time.
Is it gone now?
The number of tickets you have requested exceeds the available space for this event.
Oh my god, there's only one ticket.
I don't understand. So there's only one ticket, then I'm going on my own.
We almost got the tickets. Now nothing is available anymore.
20 minutes later, we kept moving. So we are on a double-decker, how do you call that?
Double-decker?
Yeah, a double-decker bus.
And now we're gonna go to Chinatown.
To eat because Yannick likes Asian food.
Asian food is...
Asian food or Mexican food?
both.
No, you can only have one for the rest of your life.
No, everybody's gonna hate me.
Okay, next.
So that's it. After sitting on the bus for 5 minutes, we realized, guys, we're in the wrong bus.
And it was Yannick's fault.
Okay, yeah. I admit it was my fault. We got out, took another bus. Hopefully this one is correct now. And finally ended up in Chinatown, where we accidentally paid £8 for this bowl of rice.
For rice. Literally only for rice. What the hell?
To go to the river fast, but then we came to this store. We didn't buy anything, so it was a waste of time, and now it's getting dark.
Let's go fast. Guys, we made it and we're about to see for the first time ever the Big Ben.
Just now she said Big Bang.
Big Bang Theory.
The Big Ben is one of London's most famous landmarks, and we were excited to see it for the first time.
That's the Big Ben, yo.
Can you see it, guys? That's the Big Ben.
Not tall. You literally cannot see anything. It's insane. But you can see how tall it is, so impressive.
It was totally worth it to come here. So now we're going to the Westminster Bridge.
Yeah.
So we have a better view on the Big Ben. And we did have a better view. From the riverside, we were able to see the clock. The view from the Westminster Bridge was amazing. Unfortunately, it was so windy that I cannot breathe. It's so annoying, guys. It's so windy.
And I had hiccups.
Okay, guys. Joss has hiccups. I cannot breathe because of the wind. Oh my god. We're gonna cross the bridge now.
I want to go to the Harry Potter bridge. And somebody told me that this part, the Parliament was also part of the Harry Potter movie. In like the Ministry of Magic or something.
It's pretty much dark already.
But we're still trying to record stuff.
Why are you sharp? No, I'm not even sharp. Okay, I'm sharp, guys.
No.
I'm not sharp anymore. Get out of my shot. The night got to an end. Throughout the day, a lot of things didn't go the way we planned, but we enjoyed it either way. Now the question that's left is, what did we do this second day? Well, for this we have to back up a little bit. Because sometimes when there's something that you really want, just keep refreshing the page over and over again and maybe you're gonna have luck.
How do I do them?
Select.
And then add to basket. Place it. Wait! Oh my god, I'm shaking. What do I do? Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm so excited! We got them!
One success!
Yes!
Here we are, Harry Potter.
And we have our tickets! I'm so excited! We took away 2 things from this trip. First, don't let your mood get ruined when your flight is delayed. Your suitcase is broken. You don't see squirrels.
You take a wrong bus. You pay £8 for rice. You can't see the Big Ben.
And you don't get the tickets you want.
It's your choice to spend your time thinking about all the things that didn't work out, or to forget about them and make the best out of it, because you might miss out on a fantastic day. And second, sometimes 20 minutes of trying can make a difference. Now nothing can hold her anymore. It's bright again, guys, which means we are out. As we enjoyed our last night in front of the Buckingham Palace, we already came up with a goal for our next time in London: to see the Big Ben.